Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. Before you attempt any exam or practice question, I strongly recommend going through these two playlists. They cover the latest topic, and will really boost your preparation. Starting from February 2025, the syllabus now includes Helm, HPA, Admission Control, Customize, and many more. You can always find the updated syllabus on Linux Foundation page. I will be sharing more mock exam question for practice. If you have any doubt or run into any issues while watching the playlist, please drop a comment or connect to me with the neocloud.cloud@gmail.com. The email ID will be available in description box and comment box. I am planning to have a focus session next week or in coming week on focus on mock questions and exam preparations and issue which we have or mistakes which we do in exam. This will be paid session with the $5 support. Limited seat is available. If you are interested, just comment below or reach me out with the email address which is in comment box. Thank you so much. Let's grow together.